In the UK, the attitude to fabric and clothing is that if you can't reuse it, there's one destination: landfill. Millions of households produce waste fabric every year. Each week, a local charity shop receives 300 bin bags of clothing that can't be resold. Industry produces tons of recyclable material. This all contributes to 250,000 tons of recyclable material discarded as waste.
We aim to create a method for recycling waste textiles. This led us to design a process which bonded shredded fabric with resin to create a composite.
Initial tests were a relative success. We bonded the fabric with epoxy resin and pressed it into molds to produce interesting objects.
We soon realised that there was huge scope for what we were producing, and so we began to focus on refining the process of producing the composite. We also started using silicone rubber as the matrix, and our tests began to improve iteration after iteration.
We decided to use high-speed rotational moulding to spread the silicone rubber through the mould. We produced a simple prototype to test the concept.
After refining the design, we constructed a fully functional prototype that can run for long periods of time. The test started to become less silicone rubber heavy and more structurally sound as the silicone rubber was spread evenly through the fabric.
So how does it work? First, you cut up and weigh the fabric before mixing with the silicone rubber. Next, place the mixture in the mould and use the compression device to compact the material. Finally, screw everything in place and it's ready to go. Your product will be ready soon.
Our product is a specialist kit containing the machine for self-assembly, moulds of varying shapes, silicone rubber and an instructions manual.
Upcycled. I think this is very environmentally friendly.
We needed an investment of £20,000 to continue research and development and get production up and running.
This is more than just a product, this is a message to reuse, rotate and recycle.